Part 1. The main body. Part 2. The front frame. Part 3. Diffuser holder. Part 4. Cutting stencil. Using the stencil to cut the diffuser sheet to the right size. Glue the corners of the front frame to hold the diffuser. Insert the diffuser into the frame. Place the diffuser holder on top of the diffuser. Apply some glue to secure the diffuser holder in place. Cut the lead strip into 7 pieces, each 200 millimeters long. Stick the lead strip onto the grooves. Prepare the wires for soldering. Connect all positives together and all negatives together. First, solder the wires to the jack according to the diagram. Then install the power jack on the panel. Now install the PWM dimmer on the panel. Connect the jack's positive wire to the power input positive. Connect the jack negative to the power negative. Connect the lead positive and negative wires to the power positive and negative. Place the frame on the main panel. Connect a 12 volts to a power adapter.